Alright guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I have my lines and graphs already set, so we're starting at the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend of our stock. So let's go ahead and dive in, okay? So yesterday we closed nearly down 3%, and this morning we're down almost another 3% as well. Okay, so let's look at our volume. We're at 504,000. We're above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Like I said before, we always want to get into a stock that's at least above that 150,000 threshold, because anything below that is going to be such a slow moving stock that you're not going to want to be able to get in and get out of that stock. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about our support and resistance lines really quick for our new viewers, and then we'll get into where we're at with the candlesticks individually. So this top line is our major resistance line. You can see we came up over here, got rejected multiple times over here, and we had trouble breaking past over here. But once we did, we came up. What used to work as resistance will work as a floor or support on the opposite side. So you can see we came up, came back down, and started bouncing off this level multiple times till we came up, came underneath, started working as resistance again, and did not create a breakout, and ultimately failed and pushed us all the way down to our major support line down here. So you can see that we bounced from here, 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 and here. So about 4 or 5 times. So that is easily tested. A lot of times it's not that easy to test these levels, but for this one it's pretty clear. So we have to respect these lines, you guys, since they are heavily tested. So now let's get into our individual candlesticks on where we're at. So just a couple, I think it was last week or so, or the week before that, we were testing underneath this resistance. We had trouble trying to create this breakout until we ultimately did. We created this breakout, created these beautiful higher lows. We are clearly above the trend line, so we are in a clear upward trend. The RSI, however, we do look like we are overextended. However, I was saying yesterday that if we did create this breakout over this minor resistance, that we want to come up and come back down and retest it as a support. And again, look at this beautiful buy setup, you guys. We are literally resting right on this minor support, you guys. So this is a beautiful, beautiful, another buy setup, just like Tesla. If you guys want to check out that video I just posted, go ahead and check that out. But if we look where we're resting on, you guys, you can see we're resting directly right at the $41 area. So if you wanted to get in, since we are in this clear upward trend, because the trend is our friend, you guys, you can have a stop loss. This all depends on the type of trader you are. So if you plan on holding longer term swing trading, anything in that nature, you probably want to have your stop loss maybe around the $39 area. And if you're day trading, obviously you're going to have a little bit more of a tighter stop loss. So you can have that maybe at the 40.50 or the 40.70 area. So if we do break back below this support line and we get tagged out, we can wait for a better entry. However, I always advise people to give yourself some wiggle room just in case we have a candlestick wick that peekaboos below and doesn't tag you out and ultimately it go higher, because that does happen sometimes, okay? So we have to be careful with that as well. But overall, you guys, the relative strength is there. We are in this upward trend. We have the volume. So everything on my checklist, you guys, is checking off. So I don't see this as an issue with getting in. Like I said, just please have that stop loss, you guys. You have to have money management if you're going to get into this. Please don't follow like these other kids that are saying, you know, hodl or diamond hand apes. That's just not the proper way to trade. Yes, that's their method. I'm not hating on their method, but on this specific channel, you guys, I want to prevent you guys from blowing up your account or, you know, even losing anything towards your portfolio, okay? So, but other than that, you guys, our first target is going to be back up here at the 46.09, and then your second target obviously being back at the highest previous point at the $55 area, okay? So overall, you guys, this looks very, very beautiful. I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, and if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It literally means the world to me. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.